Are blackheads making your skin feel dull and uneven? In this video, we'll dive into the simple, natural, and scientifically backed ways to get rid of blackheads effectively. Stick around to learn how you can achieve smooth, radiant skin without any harsh chemicals. We'll explore some home remedies and lifestyle tips to help achieve clearer skin. What are blackheads? Before we jump into the remedies, let's understand what blackheads are. Blackheads are a type of acne that occurs when hair follicles become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. When clogged pores is open to the air, it oxidizes and turns black, hence the name. Why do blackheads form? There are a few reasons why blackheads form. Number one, overproduction of oil or sebum by your skin. Number two, hormonal changes, especially during puberty or stress. Number three, poor skin hygiene or skipping exfoliation. Number four, using comedogenic products, those that block pores. Natural remedies for blackheads. Let's talk about effective natural remedies for blackheads removal that you can try at home. Number one, steam treatment. Start with a steam treatment. Boil water, pour into a bowl, and lean over it with a towel over your head. Steam softens the blackheads, making it easier to remove them. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes twice a week. Number two, baking soda exfoliant. 2 tablespoons of baking soda and water. Mix the baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Gently massage into your skin into a circular motion for few minutes, then rinse. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Number three, green tea scrub. 1 tablespoon of dried green tea leaves, 1 tablespoon of honey. Combine the ingredients and gently scrub to your face with the mixture. Rinse after a few minutes. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce oiliness. Number four, apple cider vinegar. 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 3 parts of water. Apply the mixture to your face using a cotton balls after cleansing. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Apple cider vinegar has astringent properties that can help whiten skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Tips for prevention. To prevent blackheads from forming in the first place, consider the following tips. Cleanse regularly. Wash your face twice a week to remove excess oil and dirt. Moisturize. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Exfoliate weekly. Incorporate gentle exfoliation into the skin in your skin routine to remove dead skin and cells. Conclusion. Remember, while these natural remedies can be effective, results may vary from person to person. Always do a patch test before applying new ingredients to ensure you don't have any allergic reaction. उर्दू और हिंदी व्यूवर्स, मेरा एक दूसरा चैनल है एक्सप्लोर वर्ल्ड विद इकबाल। अगर आप हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियो पर इंटरेस्टेड है तो जरूर चैनल को विजिट करें, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो के साथ में, तब तक स्टे एक्टिव एंड स्टे हेल्दी।